In this video, I will demonstrate how to configure custom drill downs to view SQL spans in the Application Performance Monitoring Hub in Oracle Cloud. Let's get started. In Trace Explorer, click SQLs. Now, I see the SQL spans collected over the last 15 minutes from the databases that are monitored for this APM domain. Next, I click the count number to go to the database with the most SQL span occurrences. In this example, that's 37. Now, I see a list of the individual SQL spans. Click the service name to open the span details. Now, I see a list of the SQL span attributes, including the database connect string, the SQL ID, and the database statement. If this SQL was causing a performance issue and I want to see more information about this specific SQL, then I can create a custom drill down configuration to analyze the database performance. Scroll down to the bottom of the page, click the arrow to expand the drill down configuration section. Now, if Oracle displays in the Created By column, then the service contains a pre-configured drill down configuration. For the Database Performance Hub, there are two database templates that come pre-configured for SQL IDs. The Per Hub template, that's for an external database, and the Per Hub page in ADB, that's a template for the autonomous database. Now, let's create a custom drill down configuration to analyze the database performance of a specific SQL span. Depending on the database type, go to either one of the templates and then click the vertical ellipse to open the Actions menu and then select Duplicate. Next, name the drill down configuration. In this example, I enter an abbreviation for the Performance Hub External PDB. Now, I must edit the URL by replacing the Replace with DB OCID value in the template with the actual OCI database ID. In this example, I go to the External Pluggable Database Details section to find the OCID and then click Copy next to the OCID. Go back to the Create Drill Down page and paste to replace the template text with the actual registered OCI database ID. Click Enabled and then click Save. Now, scroll up to the top of the Span Details page. Now I see a link for the new drill down I just created in the Available Drill Downs. Click the link to open it. A new browser window opens with the Database Performance Hub page. Now, I can view all the data for this specific SQL span. To view a longer period of time, I can click and drag to expand the time window. Now I can view real-time SQL data, SQL monitoring, analytics, workload monitoring, and CPU activity to analyze the database performance of this specific SQL ID.